than it is the dog. I need to stand up. Just hold this while I stand up because I need to get hold of it properly too. It's a bit sat a bit low. Right, what class is this? This will be yearling. So this is the end of yearling bitch. See how much I can show you. And he's just, I think he might thin and bin this one again, like he did before.
Right, it's thinning now.
Yeah, he's going round and he's going to thin him. Oop, Jane, I got your head. It's alright, stay there, you've gone now. Right, so we're watching go around. So these are what he's picked out. I think that's Chrissy. Spence. Told him, didn't I? Netta. Yeah. Beautiful, that bitch. So is that one. This is what Alec Waters used to do, go around and get the numbers right, tick them and things. Just Spence.
I think Martin's just told him to go on to.
Wow. Somebody shouting. He wants a treat.
Attention please. Judging of the West Highland lines will commence in 15 minutes. Ring 9 or 2. Will the judge, Mrs. J. Crowley, please go to the ring. Judging of the West Highland lines will commence in 15 minutes. Ring 9 or 2. Will the judge, Mrs. J. Crowley, please report to the ring.
So loud. Waffling. Oh. Yeah, I'm good, yeah. First, second. So, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Oh, you only picked 6 out. Shouldn't do that. No. Well, at least he got picked out, didn't he? How far are we off this one? So that's your yearling dog class. Oh, bitch. That is yearling bitch class. I think that comes from getting up at 2 o'clock this morning. Right, I'll come back on when this class is finished.